Being clueless about finance can prove to be costly. Everyone should have a basic understanding of their finances. What does it mean to be financially literate, and how can one build wealth by attaining financial literacy? Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll tell you how improving your financial literacy can help you build wealth. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. Without further ado, let's dive in. Let's get started with understanding what financial literacy actually means and why is it important. The ability to handle one's finances is known as financial literacy. The purpose of financial literacy is to assist people in better understanding financial concepts so they can better manage their money. It's a real-life skill that must be mastered in order to be financially successful. Budgeting, investing, insurance, loans and interest are all examples of financial literacy. If you feel yourself to be financially illiterate, you're not alone. Many people struggle with personal finance management, debt reduction, stock market awareness, and retirement planning. Luckily, there are numerous resources available today to help you improve your financial literacy and awareness of financial decision-making. It's impossible to gain financial knowledge in a single day or by reading a single book. Education, hands-on experience, and life lessons are all beneficial. These appropriate financial tool decisions are an important part of our daily life. As a result, financial literacy entails an awareness of how accounts function, how to utilize credit cards, and how to avoid debt. The lack of the same has a significant impact on families' daily, monthly, and annual financial management, which includes budget daily and monthly spending, education money, and a balanced retirement income. On the other hand, a strong financial foundation will assist you in achieving numerous life goals, such as schooling and retirement. Financial literacy is critical for you since it'll provide you with the knowledge and skills necessary to efficiently manage your finances. In the absence of the same, your actions and decisions regarding savings and investments would be without a solid foundation. Financial literacy, on the other hand, will assist you in better comprehending financial concepts and enabling you to manage your funds effectively. It also assists you in making sound financial decisions and reaching financial security. It provides an in-depth understanding of financial education and many techniques that are critical for financial success and progress. By using the greatest debt techniques, you'll be able to become debt-free. Financial literacy is not taught in schools. Students in the past generations were taught to work hard, get an education, graduate, and enjoy all the benefits of a well-paying job, including pensions and other benefits. This is no longer practicable. Taxation systems have evolved substantially over time, providing workers more control over when and how they retire. What's the issue? Many people have no idea where to start when it comes to saving for retirement. Furthermore, the economy has collapsed, making it impossible to continue down the same route that earlier generations did to achieve prosperity. Employment has become more unstable, and finding a stable job has become more difficult. Many people believe that financial education is the key to success, yet the public school system has failed to adapt. Experts who teach financial literacy are few as a result of the school system's lack of modernization. Unfortunately, many teachers lack financial literacy skills and are ill-equipped to teach it to the next generation of pupils. Math and chemistry, as well as other courses taught by post-secondary schools, are still heavily emphasized in the school system. This makes adding a less glamorous financial literacy course to the schedule incredibly challenging. Regardless of the numerous reasons why financial literacy isn't taught in schools or the arguments for why it should be, there are resources accessible to help you better your financial literacy and situation. Students who receive financial education in school are better prepared to make financial decisions later in life. In some countries, such as the United States, financial education has become not only a priority, but also a must. Some states in the United States have implemented laws requiring pupils to complete a financial literacy course before graduating from high school. North Carolina has become the 20th state in the United States to require high school students to take financial literacy lessons. Making finance a major part of the curriculum guarantees that every student receives a basic understanding of finance. New Jersey went even further, requiring financial literacy courses in middle school curricula. It's not only up to governments and schools to fix this problem. Parents must also educate their children. It's never too early for your children to start learning about money. In fact, you can start having financial conversations with them when they're still teenagers. Explaining what it means to save money or showing them what they can buy with a tiny allowance might help kids begin to think about money in a healthy way. Habits such as conscientious consumption and saving that are formed at an early age can last a lifetime. As children develop into young adults, this becomes much more apparent. Many young adults claim that their parents never talked to them about money or financial matters, leaving them to fend for themselves. While getting finance into schools and on people's radars is a solid start, how financial education is taught is what matters in the end. Unfortunately, a host of inefficient programs are wasting resources by disseminating financial data that isn't being absorbed. Lack of financial education is an international issue. Compound interest, budgeting, credit rating. These are only a few financial concepts that the majority of the world is unaware of. Why? Because of a lack of financial knowledge, people all around the world are trying to grasp why their credit card interest is so expensive and why they can't afford the lifestyle they've desired since childhood. A lack of global financial education can't be blamed on a single company. It is up to everyone, including parents, schools, and governments, to help teach the future generation how to manage their money wisely. Adults may find that financial education is the key to escaping apparently overwhelming debt and regaining control of their finances. Financial education is the study of financial matters by children and adults with the goal of equipping them with the tools they need to be financially literate. People who have gained financial literacy as a result of their education are better informed and able to make better financial decisions. Primary school students are not the only ones who benefit from financial education. Adults, too, require financial education in order to be better prepared for major financial decisions such as purchasing a home, financing a car, and saving for retirement. It's been established that those with greater financial knowledge are better prepared to deal with financial unpredictability and have a better chance of achieving the financial life they've always wanted. More than 40% of people with poor financial literacy seek financial advice from friends, family, and acquaintances. However, the percentage of people who are financially educated is cut in half. Financial literacy, it turns out, leads to empowerment and self-reliance. Keep in mind that your mind is your most valuable asset. You can acquire more control over where your money goes if you spend some time each day learning financial literacy. Because it boosts one's financial potential, financial literacy is an important life skill to have. Beginning in elementary school, financial planning, budgeting, and saving should be taught. It's never too late to learn about it, though. Understanding the components of financial literacy can help one enhance their financial literacy. Even after reaching the age of 50, one might begin their financial adventure. However, starting early has its own set of advantages. There is no doubt that financial education is a worldwide issue. What can we do about it is the actual question. Homeschooling is a good place to start. Parents can discuss money with their children openly and at a young age. With government assistance and financial instruction in schools, this problem may be resolved for future generations. Financial education is more than merely imparting useless information. It enables individuals to be more financially self-sufficient and to live better lives. There is no denying that better financial education would benefit everyone. It's critical to maintain your financial knowledge base developing, regardless of your degree of financial literacy. Any step you take toward gaining a better understanding of your financial condition is a positive move. The important thing is to get started. Knowledge is power, and it can assist you in making better informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and also press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then,